Good morning students. How are you all? Let's start with our mathematics class. We are on lesson number 10. Name of the lesson is measuring time. So let's start. Students, today we are going to do with time measurement. Problem set 45. We are going to solve it. Okay. So question number 1. Add the following. In that, sum number 1. 2 hour 30 minutes plus 4 hour 55 minutes. Means we have to add 4 hours 55 minutes into 2 hour 30 minutes. How to do this? Let's see. See here, I have made 2 columns. One is hours and one for minutes. So I will put the information into this table. See, hours is how much? 2 hours. So I will write over here 2 and minutes are 30. So here 30 and I have to add 4 hours. So I will write 4 and 55 minutes. So here 55. Okay. Now I am going to add it. So how to do this? It's very easy. 30 plus 55. So 5 plus 0 is 5 and 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay. And 2 plus 4 is 6. Now here I got the answer 6 hours 85 minutes. So students, pay attention. Whenever we get the minutes more than 60, okay, then we have to subtract 60 from that minute. See how I am doing this. Subtract 60 and add 1 hour here. See students, here I am getting minutes more than 60. It's 85. So I am going to subtract 60 from 85. Okay, and 60 minutes means 1 hour. So I am going to add 1 in hour column. Okay, understood? Now I'll do the subtraction. Here 5 minus 0 is 5 and 8 minus 6 is 2. Okay, and 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay students, understood? So what is the answer I am getting? My answer is 7 hours 25 minutes. So I will write answer over here. Answer 7 hour 25 minutes. Okay students, understood? Now we'll go to sum number 2. See here, 3 hours 50 minutes plus 4 hours 20 minutes. So I'll write the information into table. Hours is how much? 3 hours. So I will write 3 and 50 minutes and I have to add 4 hours 20 minutes. 4 hours 20 minutes. So what is the answer? 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 2 is 7 and 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay, again I have got the minutes more than 60. Okay, so whenever the minutes is 60 or more than 60, I am going to subtract 60 from the minutes and I am going to add 1 over here. Okay, now see what will be the answer. I have to subtract 60. So 0, 7 minus 6 is 1 and 7 plus 1 is 8. So what is the answer I am getting? My answer is 8 hour 10 minutes. Okay students. So in the same way I am going to do the third sum. 3 hours 45 minutes plus 1 hour 35 minutes. Okay, I will write the information into the table. Hours are 3 hours 45 minutes plus 1 hour 35 minutes. Okay. Now I will add this. 5 plus 5 10 0. I will carry 1. 4 plus 3 is 7 and 1 8. 3 plus 1 is 4. So again minutes is more than 60. So what I'll do, I'll subtract 60 from here and I will add 1 into R. So 0 minus 0 0. 8 minus 6 is 2 and 4 plus 1 is 5. So what is my answer? 5 hour 20 minutes. So I will write the answer here. 5 hour 20 minutes. Okay student. Now question number 4. Sum number 4. 4 hours 15 minutes plus 2 hours 50 minutes. So 5 plus 1 is 6 and 4 plus 2 is 6. So here again minutes are more than the 60. So I am going to subtract 60 from here and I am adding 1 in R column. So 5 minus 0 is 5, 6 minus 6 is 0 and 6 plus 1 is 7. So what is the answer? 7 hour and 5 minutes. Okay students, understood how to do the addition. Now we will do the subtraction. Question number 2, subtract the following. Let's see how to do the subtractions. Sum number 1, 3 hours 10 minutes minus 2 hours 40 minutes. Okay, first I will write the information. 3 hours 10 minutes minus 2 hours 40 minutes. Now see here students, 40 is a bigger number and 10 is the smaller number. So 40 cannot be subtracted from the 10. So what I'll do, I'll borrow 60 from here. Okay, 60 minutes means 1 hour. So 1 hour will be get subtracted from here. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So here 2 will be the remaining. Okay, now I have borrowed 60. So 60 plus this 10. So 60 plus 10 is equal to 70. So I am going to subtract 40 from the 70. So 0, 7 minus 4 is 30. So what is the answer over here? 30. And 2 minus 2 is 0. Understood? I will explain once again. See, 40 cannot be subtracted from the 10. So I have borrowed 60 from hours. I have borrowed 60 minutes. So when 60 minutes go here, so 2 will be remaining. Why? Because 60 minutes means 1 hour. So 1 will be deducted from the 3. So 2 will be the remaining. And 60 plus this 10 minutes, so is equal to 70 minutes. So 70 minus 40 is 30. So my answer is 30 minutes. Now question number 2. 5 hours 20 minutes minus 2 hours 35 minutes. So I will write 5 hours 20 minutes. Sorry, I will write here 5 hours 20 minutes minus 2 hours 35 minutes. Okay students, so 35 cannot be subtracted from the 20. So I will borrow 60. Okay, plus this 20. Now 60 minutes I have given here, means 1 hour I have given here from this 5. So it will remain 4. Okay, and 60 plus 20 is 80. So 80 minus 35. So 10 minus 5 is 5 and here 7. 7 minus 3 is how much? 4. So here 45 and 4 minus 2 is 2. So what is my answer? Yes, 2 hour 45 minutes. So I will write the answer here. 2 hour 45 minutes. Okay students. Now question number 3. 4 hours 25 minutes minus 1 hour 55 minutes. So I will do the subtraction. See, 55 cannot be subtracted from the 25. So I will borrow 60 minutes from here. So 3 will be remaining. Okay. And 60 plus this 25. How much it is? 60 plus 25. 5. 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay. So 85. So I will subtract 55 from the 85. So I will do here 85 minus 55. 5 minus 5 is 0. 8 minus 5 is 3. So 30. And 3 minus 1 is 2. So what is the answer I have got? Answer is 2 hour 30 minutes. Okay students. Now the next sum. 6 hours 15 minutes minus 2 hours 45 minutes. So again I will borrow 60 because 45 cannot be subtracted from the 15. And 60 minutes means 1 hour. So I have borrowed 60 minutes from here. So 6 minus 1 hour. So 5 will be remaining. So 60 plus 15 is how much? 60 plus 15. It is, yes, 75. And I will subtract 45. This 45 from the 75. So 5 minus 5 is 0 and 7 minus 4 is 3. So 30. Okay. And 5 minus 2 is 3. So my answer is 3 hour 30 minutes. 3 hour 30 minutes. Okay students, understood how to do the addition and subtractions? Okay, so you have to copy question number 1 and 2 from the practice set 45 in your notebook and do it as an assignment also. So we have completed chapter number 10, measuring time. Thank you and take care.